Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Verify PayPal account in 2025. So this is a complete tutorial step by step. Make sure you have logged in. After, we will just move in the top right corner of three lines and scroll down and just tap for profile settings. So just tap for personal information. So right now you will just have to see my username, my email address, my phone number. So right now there is no allegation to verification. So these three steps are my verified and we will go in the home again. So the second step is that you will just have to link a bank account. So connect your bank account for easy transfer. Just tap. You will just have to link a bank account or credit or debit card both. So here you will just have to enter your bank name, your bank code, your account number or your account name on business or personal, or you will just tap on link your bank. Or you will just second option is link a US bank instead. So when you just complete your this information, link a bank account with PayPal, so your account was verified. That's it. Thank you so much.